Hello, my friends. I want to share something remarkable with you, 7 principles that completely transformed my life, not over years, but in a single day. Yes, the shift was that powerful. These are not just ideas to ponder, they are principles to live by. They have the power to take you from where you are now to the life you've always dreamed of, and it starts the moment you decide to apply them. Let's begin with the first principle: imagination creates reality. This isn't just a nice thought, it's a law of life. Whatever you consistently imagine, with feeling and conviction, begins to take shape in your world. Most people spend their time imagining things they fear, worrying about what might go wrong, or replaying old hurts. But what if you flipped the script? What if you began imagining only the things you desire: health, wealth, love, or peace? When you hold a clear and consistent picture of your desired outcome and truly feel it as though it's already real, your world rearranges itself to reflect that image. The key is not to hope or wish but to know it's already done. The second principle is living in the end. This means embodying the state of your wish fulfilled. Ask yourself, if my dream were already a reality, how would I feel? What would I do? How would I carry myself? You must begin to think, speak, and act as though it's already true. This doesn't mean pretending or forcing it but aligning your inner world with the reality you wish to see. When you live in the end, you activate the creative power within you, and life begins to mirror your inner conviction. The third principle is assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Feelings are the secret to transformation. It's not enough to say you want something or to visualize it in your mind. You must feel it deeply. If you desire love, feel loved. If you desire abundance, feel abundant. Emotions are energy in motion, and the energy you radiate determines the circumstances you attract. When you train yourself to feel the joy, peace, or satisfaction of having your desires fulfilled, you accelerate their manifestation. The fourth principle is faith in the unseen. Most people rely on their physical senses to determine what's real, but your senses often deceive you. Faith is about trusting what you cannot yet see with your eyes but know to be true in your heart. When you have faith, you don't let temporary setbacks or delays discourage you. You hold firm to your vision, knowing that what you believe in will eventually materialize. Faith acts as a bridge between your inner world and the external world, making the invisible visible. The fifth principle is persist, no matter what. Life has a way of testing your resolve. When things don't appear to be changing, or when challenges arise, many give up. But persistence is the difference between those who succeed and those who don't. The key is to stay committed to your vision, regardless of external circumstances. Remember, the outer world is only a reflection of past thoughts and beliefs. As you persist in your new state of being, the outer world will catch up. The sixth principle is letting go of doubt. Doubt is the thief of dreams. It whispers that you're not good enough, that it's too late, or that your desires are impossible. But doubt only has the power you give it. You must learn to silence that inner critic and trust in the process. When you truly believe in your vision and your power to create, doubt loses its grip. Replace every doubt with a thought of certainty, and watch how quickly your life transforms. The seventh and final principle is gratitude. Gratitude is more than a feeling, it's a creative force. When you express genuine gratitude for what you have and for what you desire as though it's already yours, you open the door for more blessings to flow into your life. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, from fear to love, and from doubt to trust. Begin each day by giving thanks for the life you want as though it's already here, and you'll soon find it manifesting in ways that will amaze you. Now, let's bring these principles together. Imagine your desire with clarity, feel it deeply, and live as though it's already done. Trust the process, persist through challenges, and stay grateful along the way. These principles are not theoretical, they are practical tools that anyone can use to create a life they love. You don't have to wait for years to see results. Change begins the moment you decide to apply these principles. As you integrate them into your daily life, you'll notice subtle shifts at first, maybe a new opportunity, a chance meeting, or a sudden insight. These are signs that your inner world is aligning with your desires. Trust those signs, and keep going. Each of us has the power to shape our reality, no matter where we start. The key is to move beyond old habits of thought and step into the fullness of who we truly are. You are not bound by your past or by the limitations others have placed on you. Your life is your canvas, and these principles are the brushstrokes that bring your masterpiece to life. When you think of imagination, live in the end, feel your desires as real, have faith, persist, release doubt, and practice gratitude, you step into your creative power. You are no longer at the mercy of circumstances, you become the master of your destiny. Let's take this a step further. One thing we often overlook is the power of clarity in our intentions. Many people don't get what they want because they're not clear about what they desire. Clarity is the foundation of creation. When you're vague, the results will also be vague. Take a moment to really refine your desires. What do you want? Not what someone else expects of you, not what you feel you should want, but what truly makes your heart sing. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the universe to respond. Think of it as tuning into a specific station on a radio. If you're unclear, you're sending mixed signals, and the results will match that confusion. Another principle that complements clarity is detachment. Detachment is not about giving up on your desires, it's about releasing the need to control how and when they come. It's a surrender of the how, trusting that the process is unfolding perfectly even if you can't see the entire picture. You've set your intention, you've planted the seed, now let it grow. Constantly digging up the soil to check won't speed the process, it only disrupts it. Detachment allows you to stay open to unexpected pathways and solutions that you may not have imagined. Here's something practical: self-talk. Have you noticed how often you talk yourself out of your own dreams? The words you say to yourself are incredibly powerful. Many people sabotage their desires because their inner dialogue contradicts their outer intentions. You might say, "I want to be successful," but internally, you're thinking, "I'm not good enough." That contradiction dilutes your creative power. Begin to monitor your inner dialogue and consciously choose thoughts that align with your desires. Speak to yourself as if you were your own biggest supporter. Build yourself up, not down. Now, let's touch on timing. So often, we're impatient. We want results now, and when they don't show up immediately, we assume it's not working. But timing is part of the process. The life you're creating is unfolding exactly as it needs to. Every moment is leading you closer to your desired outcome. Trusting the timing doesn't mean being passive, it means staying aligned while allowing the process to flow naturally. Impatience is resistance, and resistance blocks the very things you're trying to attract. Lastly, consider this: your environment matters. Not just your physical space but also the people you surround yourself with and the energy you allow into your life. Are your surroundings lifting you up or pulling you down? Are the voices in your life supportive or critical? Creating a space that reflects your highest aspirations is a key aspect of transformation. Start by removing what doesn't serve you, whether that's clutter, negative influences, or habits that drain your energy. Replace them with things and people that inspire, uplift, and align with the life you're creating. As we bring this discussion to a close, I want you to think about the potential you hold. The principles we've explored today are not just ideas, they are tools you can use to shape your life starting now. You don't need perfect conditions or special skills to begin. You just need the willingness to apply what you've learned. If this content has sparked something within you, take a moment to like this video. Your support helps this message reach more people who need it. Are you ready to see how these principles work in your own life? Then subscribe to this channel for more insights and practical guidance. If you found value here today, share this with someone you care about. A simple action like that could be the turning point in their life. Want to stay connected and continue growing? Hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And if this message resonated with you, let me know in the comments below. Your thoughts and experiences inspire others to take their first step too. Transformation isn't something distant or unreachable, it begins with the choices you make today. So why not make the choice to align your life with the principles that lead to joy, abundance, and peace? It's my hope that these 7 principles inspire you to take that first step today. Test them for yourself, and let your results be your proof. The life you've always dreamed of is not far away, it's already within you, waiting to be expressed.